A very quick video today. I'm working on a DCC decoder project and I find myself in need of some fine wiring. I have a spare HDMI cable that's sitting around that's probably never going to get used again. And what I discovered was inside the HDMI cable are multiple strands of multicolored wire. So I want to just section off some of this here and show you what's inside. I'll take care to split the plastic sheath down the edge. And I'll remove that. Inside is a weak collapsible woven metal sheath. I'll get rid of that. Then inside that is this wrap of foil-like material, and it exposes our colors. Now, what I have here, I have orange, white, red, yellow, and black in this particular wire. Another one that I have had some green inside. Then there are these foil covered wires, and when you open those up, they'll have a variety of different colors inside. The one that I most recently opened up was blue and white. Let's see if that holds true for this brand of cable as well. So a little bit of slit of the material holding these two wires together. And let's see what color these have inside. There's a pair of wires in these, and this one has white, and like my other brand, a pale blue. This one's kind of a mid-range blue. My other was almost a sky blue. This one's a little bit brighter than that. Here you can see a sample of the sky blue out of my other wire. So for those of you that need very fine gauge wire and you've got some HDMI cables sitting around, give it a try.